Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a super easy, cheap, and simple upgrade to the Fiero. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be playing with wiper arms and wiper blades. So as most of you Fiero owners know, this style wiper blade is not really used anymore in common cars, so it gets harder and harder to find ones that'll work for the Fiero these days. And that is why a new product is coming out for the Fiero to help give you a wider selection of wiper blades to choose from and to make installs a lot easier. This is a J-hook wiper arm that is made for the Fiero. Now this can pivot 90 degrees to make it easier to change out wiper blades, and also has the J-hook design that will give you a wider selection for new wiper blades. In this kit comes both of the wiper arms as well as some Allen keys to help remove the stock Fiero wiper arm. This install is super easy, and we are going to do that on this car right now. Now to remove the stock Fiero wiper arm is super simple. You take one of the Allen keys that is provided and you push the arm up slightly and slide it through. And by doing this, we'll hold the arm up, and if you can see over here, there is a locking tab which is underneath the wiper arm that holds it on, and you push that back and the whole wiper arm just shakes and comes right off. And putting on the new wiper arm is just as easy. You just slide it right on like that and lock it in place. It does not move at all, and you just push it right back down and you have a new wiper arm installed. And being able to actually fold this wiper arm up 90 degrees makes it a lot easier to actually install new wiper blades. And just like that, they are both on and they both look great. If you're interested in doing this for yourself, you can click the link in my bio and it will take you to where you can buy these. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See you later.